Honorable MLA Bicholi Constituency, Dr. Chandrakant. So thank you very much for your prestigious and Mr. Saptesh, Meena, and my colleague Jonathan D'Souza, Vice President GFA, and all my executive committee members, Women Committee Chairperson, them all, and all supporter of a goal footballer. Thank you very much. First of all, I thank Vedanta for supporting GFA and especially women since last 7 years. From my bottom of heart, I am very thankful to Madam, especially you and entire your group. Thank you for all participation teams. Without your support, we cannot organize any events or any games. And lastly, full supporter of entire Goa. This is the first time we have shown this women league on live telecast. All matches, all the ground. We made history about it. Last year, we started under 14 women's league. And this year, we got a champion for after 22 years in Goa. So GFA and all women, our dedication is there as a GFA to support you. Do come, support, play and enjoy the game. Thank you very much.
Let me congratulate both the teams to participate here, FC2M and Vintage 73. For today's prize distribution, we have with us GFA President and my dear friend Dr. Caetano Fernandes, CESA's officer, Saptesh Sardesai, Veena Verekar, Vice President Jonathan, other executive members of GFA, all the participants, all the football lovers and my dear friends. I am very happy. First of all, let me thank CESA company, Vedanta company for supporting. In fact, I know Vedanta for last 20 years. Ever since I started practicing, I have been closely worked with them. And they have been always supporting for all such CSR activities. They have their own teams and all. They are supporting every, whether it is in health, football, or in education. So it's a good deed they are doing. We need to support them. This both the teams who are there, they have really done good. Our president, Dr. Caetano, is trying his best to reach every nook and corner of Goa. In fact, he's been long in touch with me. Like he's always thinking whether can we do one football ground in village side, especially in Bicholi Taluka side. We are trying, both of us we are trying. Let's see how much we succeed. But it is good in that ever since he has taken over GFA, he's been always thinking positively how he can expand, how he can reach. And in fact, he was telling me that he is trying to reach to every villager, football, players. So it's a good thing. Otherwise, always this game was mostly in cities and people who can afford it all. And villages, since I come from village, Bicholi village, Menkuram village I come. Like especially in my village, there are hardly any football players. It's not that they were not intelligent or they were not interested in playing. They didn't have those backup, they didn't have those facilities. But it's good that Dr. Caetano has taken over and he's trying to reach them, giving them full support and all. We need a president or teams like that, who can find, because these football intellectuals, there are many students who are really intellectual, who can really do good. But sometimes the support is lacking. And that is this team is doing this under the leadership of Dr. Caetano Fernandes. Our government is trying to support in the best way. You all must have heard our Honorable Prime Minister. Before 2014, the budget for sport was just 7,000 crores. Now it has almost tripled. That means our government is quite serious about supporting professionals who are in sports. We have been trying to create more and more infrastructure. Recently we had 37 national games here. And many of our Goan children have excelled in that game. I can assure our GFA President, whatever support they require from government, whatever best we can do, we are always there as a MLA from Bicholi. I am always there for them. and I thank him for giving me such honor. देव बरे करू तुमका.